down from here, inhaling at the place, exhaling and inhaling 1 2 3, hold down from here, inhaling at the place, exhaling, twist your body 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3, hold it with 1 2, inhaling 2 3, hold it with 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 at the place, exhaling 1 2 3, hold it with 2 3 4 on the sitting bone. From here, inhaling 1 2 3, hold it with 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3. This is called नमस्कार, गुड मर्निङ सबै मेरा दर्शकहरुमा म शिव पोखरेलको तर्फबाट यहाँहरु सबैलाई नमस्कार, good morning everybody. Me your asana teacher Shiva Pokharel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to have a very important yoga postures. That name is Yoga for Beginner. Those people are practicing or trying to begin their yoga journey, but they are not making such a very particular preparation or any types of plan to hold their yoga stream. If they feel such types of problems, they can watch this video. And if you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video in any social networks. Let's start today's video. Nothing is possible in this digital and computer world, but we feel a little bit uneasy and we are not we are afraid of such types of asana, pranayama and other types of yoga streams, and there are little bit rule and regulation of this yoga stream. Therefore they are not practicing regularly. If you feel such types of, there is no any particular difficulties to start the yoga. Only purchase on the mat and sit on the mat, and you can by sitting on the chair, by sitting on the bed, by sitting on any cushion, any types of you can practice yoga asana. Therefore let's start your yoga journey. First and foremost important yoga posture, especially for beginner, is I am going to teach you 1 feet distance. Slowly inhale, exhale, shoulder roll back, chin palm to ground, navel tuck in, tailbone tuck in. From here, inhaling at the place, exhaling and inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3. This is called Tala Asana, Tada Asana or palm tree pose. This is also very excellent yoga posture for your chest paining, for your lungs capacity, to improve our lungs capacity, especially sciatica pain, back pain, to reduce your belly fat, to improving our especially balancing, especially Gyan Bhav as well. Therefore you can practice this. First and foremost important yoga posture is Tala Asana. Then second important yoga posture is keep your feet 2 feet apart, shoulder roll back, chin part of the ground, navel tuck in, tailbone tuck in. From here, please bring your shoulder on the shoulder level, palm facing down. From here, inhaling at the place, exhaling, twist your body 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3. This asana name is called standing Vakra asana. This is also very good for waistline, for belly fat, to improving our lungs capacity. Especially twisted yoga postures are very good for detoxification liver, kidney. Therefore you can also include this very important and very beneficial yoga posture in your yoga stream. Then you can practice other important yoga posture is Konasana second. From here, inhaling at the place, exhaling, hold your breath, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 1, 2, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3, and set up change. This is also very good for this asana. Name is called Konasana second. Konasana second is also very good for especially for your waistline line, love handle, for your belly fat, improving our lungs capacity, and especially to improve our Anahata chakra. Therefore, you can also include this very important yoga posture. Then you can start other important yoga posture is keep your feet 1 foot apart. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3. This is called Utkat Asana. This is also very good for our thigh muscle, groin muscles, especially to make strong confident level, to make strong knee also. If you are suffering from knee pain, you can avoid this yoga asana. Then other very important yoga posture or balancing yoga posture is Hasta Padangusthasana variation. Inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold it breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold it breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3. And this is also very good for confidence level for waistline, especially to manage our balance, especially for women. This is also very excellent yoga asana. Seated on the not Prathana asana. This is called Vajrasana, and you can practice other important yoga posture is you can practice Parvatasana as well. Seated on the meditative yoga posture, especially Padmasana. From here, slowly keep your palm on the mat, palm facing up, chin up, parallel to the ground, navel tuck in, tailbone tuck in, seated on the sitting bone. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3. This is also very good for especially women's PCOD, PCOS, white discarriage, especially to balance the normal period, and especially this is also very good for chest, to reduce your belly fat, improving our Anahata chakra, lungs and heart as well. Therefore, you can also practice this very beautiful yoga asana in your daily routine. Then next is very important for sugar and pressure, those who are suffering from pancreatic problems. Let's your right hand is held by left hand, therefore left hand is held by right hand, and make a yoga mudra. From here, inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, inhaling 1, 2, 3. This is also very important yoga posture, especially for beginner level. Those people are practicing or beginner level, they are wanted to practice new yoga asana. This is also very excellent yoga asana. And then slowly you can lie down on the right side, third asana. From here, you can start on the Bhujanga asana. Your head is mat, your leg is also mat, your both hand is near to your chest. From here, your elbow is pointing ceiling. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 1, 2, 3, and relax on the Makarasana. Then slowly lie down on the back, and you can practice other very important yoga posture is astic asana, especially for back pain, for sciatica problems, to stretching our overall body. From here, inhaling, raise your both arm up, palm facing ceiling, and your both toe is pointing out, and somebody is pulling from your leg and somebody is pulling from your hand. That is called astic asana, and release the posture on the starting position. From here, inhaling 1 2 3, hold your breath 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3. This is called astic asana. Then you can also practice other pavan mukta asana, wind relieving yoga posture, especially for back pain, especially for digestive system, especially for gastritis, acidity and constipation. From here, inhaling at the place, exhaling 1 2 3, hold your breath 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold your breath 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold your breath 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3. And you can, at last you can practice Shiva Pokharel, inhaling at the place, exhaling 1 2 3, hold your breath 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3. Again you can practice inhaling at the place, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3. You can relax on the Savasana. I had already given many videos of this Savasana. And slowly lie down on the right side and walk up. And you can at last practice meditation. Close your eye, just observe your breath, just realize your whole body, not a jerky movement. Inhale, exhale. Thank you for watching my videos completely. We'll meet next year with next video. Bye bye. Namaskar. Yogis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.